Hey Big Zipper, happy Monday. What you learned last week? Hundreds, tens, and ones. Adding hundreds and tens. Today we are going to work on adding hundreds, tens, and ones. This is our place value mat, and we use it to add our numbers or to break apart our numbers and identify which ones are our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. So we are adding 400 plus 100. As you can see, we have our 100 base 10 blocks. We can count these by 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 400 plus 100 equals 500. Let's do another one together. 700 plus 200. Let's count our blocks by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 700 plus 200 equals 900. Great job. Now we're going to add our tens and our hundreds. If you have your base 10 blocks, please use them in your place value mat. When we're adding our 3-digit numbers together, like 340 plus 320, we like to break our numbers apart. 340 has 40 tens and 3 hundreds. 320 has 20 tens and 4 hundreds. So I'm going to add my tens together first. So 40 plus 20. 40 plus 20, and I'm going to count my base 10 blocks by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Great job. Now I'm going to add my 100 blocks together. 300 plus 300, and I'm going to count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So 300 plus 300 equals 600. Our answer is 660. Now, you can use this time to build on your place value mat using your tens and your ones, and pause the video and solve the problem. Great job. So I'm going to add my tens first and then my hundreds. So 40 plus 10. You can count your base 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now you can count your hundreds blocks. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So 540 plus 110 equals 650. Now we're going to add ones, tens, and hundreds. When you're adding 3-digit numbers, such as 243 plus 213, it's easy to break your numbers apart. So the number 243 has 3 ones, 4 tens, and 2 hundreds. The number 213 has 3 ones, 1 10, and 2 hundreds. Now, when you're adding, you always want to start with your ones first. So we're going to start with our ones first. Let's count all of our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. Next, you're going to add all of your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Last, you add all of your hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. So our answer is 456. Great job. Now you can pause the video and start your worksheet. I'll see you all tomorrow in Big Dipper Math Zoom at 11. Hey Big Dipper, welcome back. Today is Wednesday. Today we are going to build our numbers. As you can see, we have our number and we have our place value mat. Please go get your place value mat. Awesome. Our number is 536. The number 536 has 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. What I want you guys to do is to write the number in your place value mat. I put boxes around each number that matches the box on our place value mat. Our ones are in yellow, our tens are in greens, and our hundreds are in reds. So the number 536 has 6 ones, 3 tens, and 5 hundreds. So when you write it in your place value mat, this is what it should look like. 536. 753. So the number 753 has 3 ones, 5 tens, 7 hundreds. Please write it on your place value mat. Great job. This is what it should look like. 3 ones, 5 tens, 7 hundreds. Try this one on your own. 308. Great. 308. The number 308 has 8 ones, 0 tens, and 3 hundreds. And this is what it looks like when you write it in your place value mat. Great job. How many ones are in the number 999? Great. 9 ones are in the number 999. How many tens are in the number 999? Correct. 9 tens. And how many hundreds are there in the number 999? Great job. 9 hundreds. 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. Try this one on your own. Write the number in your place value mat. Great job. There are 0 ones, 9 tens, and 1 hundreds. This is what it looks like when you write it in your place value mat. Amazing. 261. The number 261 has 1 ones, 6 tens, and how many hundreds? Correct, 2 hundreds. 261. When we write it in our place value mat, let's remember that our red equals our hundreds, our green box equals tens, and our our yellow box is our ones box. Great job. Now you can begin your worksheet. Hey Big Dipper, welcome back. Today is Thursday. Let's begin. Today we're going to add 3-digit numbers. Please make sure you have your place value mat. We're going to add 425 plus 223. The first thing we want to do is set up our problem. So we're going to break our numbers apart. 425. We have 5 ones, 2 tens, and 4 hundreds. Next, I'm going to write 223 in my place value box. Now, take the time to set up your problem so it looks just like it does in the slide. Great job. Amazing. Now I'm going to add. For these next few slides, I did not use any counters, but if you want to use counters to help you add, use the counters. So I'm going to make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. There you go. There are some visuals there to support you. Now, 5 plus 3. You're going to always add your ones first. Always add ones first. Whoop. There we go. We're going to add our ones first, then your tens, and last your hundreds. Pause the video and add. Great job. Our answer is 648. Amazing. 382. Set up your problem. You can either use your counters or you can draw the quantity next to it, or you can draw a picture next to it to help you add. Remember, we always add our ones first, then our tens, and then our hundreds. Pause the video so you can add. Awesome. Our answer is 798. 147 plus 452. Set up your problem and give it a go. Add your problem. $689 is our answer. We have 9 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds. Challenge question. 842 plus 146. Give it a try. Great job. 988 is our answer. Worksheet time. Hey Big Dipper, happy Friday. Let's review what we've learned. This week we focused on adding using our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. We also used our counters. Remember that when you're adding, you always add your ones first, then your tens, then your hundreds. We also worked on writing our numbers in our place value chart. The number 496 has 6 ones, 9 tens, and 4 hundreds. 496. We also worked on adding big numbers like 822 plus 162. When you're adding big numbers, make sure you put them in the correct spot in your place value mat. Also remember, you always start with your ones, then your tens, then your hundreds. Great work. I am so proud of all the work you've been doing. Amazing.